Welcome to BookZeta.ai. Let's use Quick Mode to create a story in just a few clicks. Select Quick Mode from the Create a Story menu, and let's get started. Set your parameters. Choose Short Story for teenagers and select Fantasy. Under subgenres, let's check Epic Fantasy, Sword and Sorcery, and Magical Realism. Finally, select Minimal Imagery and adjust the target length to 25 pages. Now for the best part. Let's use AI to write our description. Click Suggest to start the advanced story builder. Watch the progress loader on screen as BookZeta analyzes your selected genre, audience, and subgenres. It compiles ideas, adds creative flair, and refines details in real time. In just a few moments, you have a fully fleshed out premise with rich world building, conflicts, and character profiles ready for generation. Next, click Suggest next to Story Title. The AI quickly crafts a thematic title perfectly matching our new prompt, The Frequency of Obsidian and Air. Now, let's click Continue to the next step to proceed. On the review page, double-check your tags as BookZeta automatically compiles a detailed chapter-by-chapter outline. This chapter synopsis defines your story's narrative arc, pacing, and character introductions. Take a moment to review this overview before finalizing your draft. Click Generate this story and confirm. BookZeta's background engine will take it from here. Your story is now actively building under Creations in Progress. You can safely leave this page. We'll notify you the moment your story is ready.